In this video, I'll show you how to be able to change the way that your apps are displayed on your Apple Watch SE3. So right now I have a list. To change between the two different modes, you need to go all the way down in no matter which mode you are. So over here in this list, I'll go all the way down and click on this icon. And the apps will be displayed with these bubbles. If I go all the way down with these bubbles, I'll be able to click on this icon and it will switch to the list view. Now there's a way to select the default way of displaying apps. This way you don't have to go all the way down every time you want to switch. Now to choose a default one, and this is probably what you're looking for, you need to go into the settings of your Apple Watch. So tap on settings, scroll down until you see app view. Here you go, app view, tap on it, and you can choose which one of these will be your default one. So grid view or list view. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, subscribe, like, but also comment down below. Thanks.